So here you can see me using the Harken 57 Carbo Air Block with Cam Cleat. I'm using it to secure my dinghy. I do this just to kind of give it some extra security when I'm offshore other than the davit. It's a block where you just pull it. It's got a Cam Cleat on it. It's got a swivel base on it. Frees up your hands to just pull on it and then secures. Works very well on my boat. The specs on it, it weighs 269 grams. The maximum working load is 136 kilograms or 300 pounds. And I have another one on the other side too I don't show, but it does the same thing. And to release it, you can see me releasing it here. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. Not probably the typical application you might use it for, but it works for my boat. Oftentimes you'll use these small sailing dinghies and to redirect halyards or sheets or some other type of lines. So I've had this block 10 months. It's worked very well offshore to secure the dinghy the way I want it to do. Takes the extra weight off the davits. That's what I wanted it to do. I'm very happy with the product.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.